give him a wave. He waved to you above us, upside down. The least we can do is give him a bigger wave back after an incredible presentation.
Gonna hand things over now to the Air Force in the F-35 demonstration.
I don't think I'm going to do too much chasing the camera around, guys. You're going to get a fixed position of the F-35A. Because I can't chase it around too much. Got to take a break.
Ladies and gentlemen, and on behalf of your United States Air Force, the Commander of Air Combat Command, General Ken Wilsbach, and all the men and women of Air Combat Command, we welcome you once again to the Sun and Fun Air Show here in beautiful Lakeland, Florida. I am the F-35 Demonstration Team Superintendent, Senior Master Sergeant Jake Sapola from Grants Pass, Oregon. I'm joined today by our Team Safety Observer and Combat Ready F-35 pilot, Captain Spencer Motor Thompson. Motor is a combat veteran fighter pilot with more than 400 hours in fighter aircraft and hails from Titusville, Florida. As a member of the 3D Fighter Wing, better known as Panther Nation, commanded by Colonel Michael Getty, located at Hill Air Force Base in scenic northern Utah. It is my distinct pleasure to describe for you today a capability demonstration by the world's most technologically advanced 5th generation fighter, the F-35A Lightning II. The team commander and pilot for today's flight is Captain Melanie Mock Klusner. Mock comes from a military family, but she was born and raised in Memphis, Tennessee. She is a veteran combat fighter pilot with more than 750 hours in fighter jet aircraft. The F-35 you're about to see is a supersonic 9G capable multi-role aircraft that combines cutting-edge stealth with the most advanced avionics system of any fighter aircraft in history. The F-35 gives the United States Air Force the power to dominate the skies, anytime, anywhere. While you won't see everything that makes the F-35A Lightning II the most technologically advanced stealth fighter aircraft in the world, you will witness its raw power. As today's flight begins from your right, Captain Klusner will execute a maximum power takeoff using all 43,000 pounds of thrust being produced by the Pratt & Whitney F-135 engine, lifting the Lightning II off the runway in an amazing 1,500 feet. Then watch as the F-35 performs a half Cuban 8 and a stunning 50 degrees angle of attack, a first of its kind maneuver unique to the F-35 demo team. Lightning 1, you are clear for takeoff.
It's showtime!
Now, ladies and gentlemen, it's time to stand up and get your cameras ready. I present to you the newest 5th generation fighter aircraft in the world, your United States Air Force's F-35A Lightning II.
I just got 3 things to say. God bless our troops. God bless America. And gentlemen, start your engine.
something.
The F-35 has a superior advantage in combat due to the adversary's reduced ability to detect the jet through the use of stealth technology. In order to remain covert, you must maintain a clean profile by carrying your missiles and bombs internally. With an internal payload capacity of over 6,000 pounds, the F-35A is the most lethal multi-role fighter jet in the world. If you ever wondered where those bombs and missiles hide, there is your answer.
It's probably going to come right over my head.
She will be traveling at just below the speed of sound, representing only half.
I can't see you. I got no ears no more. Because we're mounted on a barbed wire fence, so I can't turn this camera too much. But I will say this, subscribe so you can see tomorrow's show. We're going to be at the airport tomorrow. We'll be here all day, from 1 to 9 o'clock, all day, the whole day. It's out there somewhere.
In a dogfight, combat maneuverability is crucial. The Lightning II's advanced flight controls, combined with its powerful engine, gives the F-35 an impressive 1,500-foot turn radius.
This fence is blowing. It's so windy. The fence is moving.
And bank sharply, pressing her into the seat with up to 9 G's or 9 times the force of gravity.
Captain Mock.
After completing the turn, the F-35 will power straight up into a vertical climb.
Captain Mock's at the helm.
Flipping end over end in a maneuver we call the Lightning Loop. From your right, the Lightning II's combat radius turn.
All right, I got her on the HD cam. Way up there in the sky, straight ahead. Can't see it in the phone. See her on my camera though. Not a more. Come right at me. Come right at us.
F-35 demonstration team from the 3D Fighter Wing wish to dedicate this pass to the men and women from all branches of the armed forces and their families who are so bravely fighting today's joint fight. We would also like to remember our wounded warriors and veterans in attendance and those who have given their lives defending this great nation. This will be your best photo opportunity, so get your cameras ready to capture the salute.
Oh, come on. My camera's ready. Where are you? Here we go, right down to the show center.
Demonstration team proudly presents the dedication pass. The forge, her hard style, yellow ribbon around
Yeah, this is not a good place to be because I can't move the camera or nothing. Straight over my head. There she goes.
performing the inverted to inverted pass. The F-35 possesses the incredible ability to point its nose at will in a dogfight. Watch closely as the jet climbs more than a mile into the vertical and completes the lightning loop. And then while under complete control and without thrust vectoring, Captain Klusner will execute a full 360-degree flat turn. Ladies and gentlemen, the Lightning II pedal turn.
Way up there. Okay, I'm done moving this camera around. Maybe not.
The ability to maintain slow speed flight is crucial in combat. The potent combination of sophisticated flight control, coupled with the most powerful fighter engine ever built, make it possible to reduce the F-35's speed to less than 100 knots. Coming in from your right, Captain Klusner will demonstrate the F-35's slow speed capability.
Coming in from behind us.
Just as she approaches show center, you will once again feel the raw power of the engine as she lights
Nope,
the
coming in from straight ahead.
the aircraft into a near vertical climb. most technologically advanced fighter aircraft in the world, the F-35's flight controls give our pilots a distinct advantage to outmaneuver their opponents. As Captain Cruiser approaches show center, she will complete more than 135 degrees of heading change in 3 seconds, slide the tail of the F-35 through the turn, and then powerfully climb out of the maneuver. Closing in from the right, ladies and gentlemen, the tactical pitch. We would like to give a shout out to our expert maintenance team that made today's demonstration possible. Our F-35 dedicated crew chiefs. Staff Sergeant Jacob Sackett from Benicia, California. Staff Sergeant Jesse Easley from Houston, Texas. Avionics Specialist A1C Matthew Dooley from Phoenix, Arizona. Our Low Observable Specialist Staff Sergeant Basilio Godinez from Naples, Florida. Our Aircrew Flight Equipment Specialist Senior Airman Samantha Jackson from Ogden, Utah.
All right, they're meeting up with the P-51 now.
From DeSoto, Texas.
They're going to circle around this way. I can't see him, I just pointed it behind me. Blind camera. I don't like this spot. Too difficult. It'll be good for tonight's night show maybe, because the drones are going to be right here.
Ladies and gentlemen, I would like to take a moment to describe the unique history of what you are about to watch. In 1997, the leaders of Air Combat Command assembled a select group of retired military and civilian performers to celebrate the 50th anniversary of the United States Air Force. From this gathering was born the Heritage Flight, a unique visual representation of the Air Force's history from the days of the Army Air Corps to the present. What started out as a one-time event has grown in popularity and demand, and now Heritage Flights are performed at air shows and special events in the United States and around the world. Please turn with me now as this rare formation approaches from behind and overhead.
From behind and overhead. I got him on the HD cam. Right on him. Back this way. I hear him back there. Can't see him. I hear him. Okay, here they are.
II era P-51 Mustang named Double Trouble 2 that is piloted by Steve Henry Jr., as well as the United States Air Force's F-35A Lightning II, piloted by Captain Melanie Mock Kuzner.